the padlock nut. How to make paracord padlock nut, zipper pull, key fob. Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord channel. My name is Dale, and as you saw in the intro, we'll make today the padlock nut or the padlock zipper pull, keychain, key fob, etc, etc. So for today's project I'm gonna use this leftover from the previous one, around 60 centimeters or 24 inches, and this one is originally created by JD Lanson. So thanks for the awesome creation. Now we're gonna take it and find the center. After that, let me just zoom a bit. We're gonna take it and we're gonna make the loop clockwise, like this. And now here, we're gonna create with the left one another loop, counterclockwise from the back, as you can see. So basically we're gonna have the three cords, the main one in the middle, as you can see from the both sides. Now we're gonna take this one and we're gonna go to the back and through the loops like that, pull it aside, and again one more, you can create as much of the loop as you want. With more loops the padlock will be bigger, with less loops will be smaller, and so on. Now here with the left cord, make it towards you. Now pull it to make it tight. And here we are. Now we are just left to cut off this axis of the cords here, and we're about to finish it. On the end, as always, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.